Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to change your Zoom profile picture on your PC. So first, you go into the Zoom app. Then you click this icon here in the corner, the one with the profile. So you go to settings, and then you go down here where there is profile, and then you click on this picture. If there is no picture, you click on this icon. As you can see, there is part for editing, so you click on it and then you can change picture that you want to change. So you can choose any picture that you want. Choose this one. As you can see, then you click save. As you can see, it has already changed. So that's how you change your profile picture. You can repeat the process if you want to change to a different picture. But that's how you change your Zoom profile picture. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing how-to videos. Bye bye.